Tonight we're going to be unboxing these pairs of sneakers that aren't the most comfortable ones. However, I would say that these still are quite comfortable, especially for those people who have big toes and wide feet. Let's go.
Okay, let's go.
Hey, what's up guys, Josh here. 24th March 2025. It's 11 p.m. and bingo is so naughty. Bingo. First off, let's unbox this one. I've used this once. This is the Puma Suede Classic. Okay, use these ones. Very comfortable. Look at the toe box. Okay. You won't get wrong with this. Styling it with jeans, trousers, skinny jeans, baggy, joggers. This definitely will fit to any type of outfit. The beige, yellow beige, classic Puma Suede. Gold logo. Gold logo. And as usual, Puma always comes with one extra pair of laces. Here's the first one. And second one, I've used this many times. This is, the Puma Suede SpongeBob collaboration. Spongy like SpongeBob. Okay, I used this many times, but well maintained. And it comes with free chain. Okay. And I think this is my top favorite. Top favorite, the Puma Suede X Rip and Dip collaboration. Okay, Lord Normal all over. Sorry for the dirt, but yeah, look at Lord Normal. The tongue, look at the tongue. Okay. Look at the insole. All rip and dip. Okay, I won't show you the sole because it's quite dirty. Okay, so that's the rip and dip, SpongeBob, and the beige. This one. For a while. Okay, this one. Still, this is a Suede Classic in different colorway. This is the icy blue Puma Suede. Look at this. Icy blue Classic. If you want to have like a clean outfit, this color really will suit. White, blue, or black definitely would really complement your style. Okay. So with the original laces, and as always, the fat laces. Haven't used this, still fresh. Okay. Next up is the it's still in the box. So let's try to unbox this one. Seats. Okay, that's it. This one, as usual, Puma Suede. Okay, classic. Wow. This could be my new favorite because this colorway is the triple black. Of course, with extra fat laces, the XXL laces. Look at this triple black suede. With a subtle Puma gold logo. With a subtle emblem, clean sole, clean look. Okay, so this style actually runs in many different colorway and different sizes, but I always use 9 UK, 10 US, 43 Euro, and 28 centimeter. This Puma will be a good 1 week outfit. This could be for Monday, okay, because in Thailand every Monday we should at least wear yellow shirt or any yellow thing. Okay, yellow one, and then of course alternate could be this. Okay, sorry, this is not beige, this is mustard. Okay, suede mustard. Suede mustard. Of course, the icy blue. Icy blue. Rip and nip. And the triple black. Between the rip and dip and triple black, I can't choose. Both of them are like really gorgeous, but you could wear it in different occasion. But this, you can wear it with smart casual outfit, definitely this one. But if you want some cool event, this one looks as well. And just like I said, these are not the most comfortable pairs, but again, these are quite comfortable, especially for those people who have big toes and wide feet, just like my feet. So that's it for tonight. Quick unboxing of the Puma 1 week collection. Thanks for stopping by. Peace.